Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use NotebookLM to write a book. Okay, so first is you just have to go to the NotebookLM website, okay, and then you just have to sign in to your Google account. And then just scroll down and you'll be able to see this create a new notebook option. All right, and then you just have to give your project a name based on your book. All right, such as my novel. So yeah, we just type it right here, my novel. And then you just have to upload everything related to your book. So just tap on the add sources option. Okay, so you can upload your files right here, website, drive, or copy text. All right, so yeah, this could include your outlines, brainstorming notes, research papers, interviews, transcript, Google Documents, PDFs, and so on. So, since Notebook LM only works with the sources you provide, it stays focused on your content instead of pulling a random information from the web. Now, you can start building your book with AI prompts, for example. Okay, create a table um, of contents based on these notes. All right, so you have to upload your notes after that. Okay, and then as you write, Notebook LM can help expand your ideas, and then you can also ask something like, turn this bullets into a complete chapter. That's right. So, if you're writing fiction, you can also upload your character profiles, world building notes, and plot outline. Then ask Notebook LM questions like, is my character consistent throughout the story? Find the plot holes in my outline, something like that. And one of the Notebook LM's biggest advantages is that it cites the exact source it used for every answer. And this is especially useful for nonfiction writers who need to verify facts and keep track of where their information came from. Okay, so while Notebook LM won't write your entire book for you, it can dramatically speed up research, organization, editing, and idea generation. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.